Well, good morning, everybody. This is a Nissan Patrol with engine Audi 28. This is for a hard starting, resolving the problem with this engine. We are going to check the problem with three steps. The first step, we are going to check the electric system. The electric system. With this engine, we have a solenoid. Look at this. The solenoid is there. This is the solenoid. And this is the plus with the battery. And then this is negative. This is the positive, and this is the negative. If the car don't start, you take this, you put it in the positive, and you put it directly to the solenoid. If the car don't start, you check another way. You check another way in the electric system. This is the main fuse, for all the car. With this fuse, you check it to make sure that you have electricity in the solenoid. Look at this. This is the relay, the double relay. This double relay is for both the solenoid and the glow plugs and glue plugs. We have 6 glow plugs. You make sure that electricity is normally connected with glow plugs. If the car don't start again, you check the second step.